boys and girls. So my neighbor brought over some of her pets today because they got into her garden, and it looks like some of her little pets ate some fruits and vegetables. So she asked me if I could help and give them a nice clean bath so they can go home and be nice and clean and warm and cozy. So let's help our little friends out. First, we need to put some soap in the sink. Let's get to work. Boys and girls, let's put the soap in the sink. Make the water nice and soapy. Now we gotta turn on the water. Okay, we gotta make sure it's nice and warm so they don't get cold. Nice and warm. Okay, I don't think our friends are gonna be too excited for baths, so let's try to make this fun for them, okay? Let's go. Our first furry little friend is a mouse. Mr. Mouse, what vegetable did you eat? Oh boy. Aunt Minnie, I think I got into the cucumbers because I'm all green. I think you did, Mr. Mouse. Let's get you a nice, clean, warm bath. Oh, thank you, Minnie. Thank you so much. Ready? Scrub-a-dub-dub. Let's get the brush so we can scrub you. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Nice and clean for Mr. Mouse. Minnie, this is the best bath ever. Nice and clean. Let's give you a nice... the water is so cold. Oh, I'm sorry, Mr. Mouse. We'll warm that up. So much better. Now I feel nice and clean. Let's put you over here so you can warm up. Let's sit you down. Thank you, Minnie. Now you can sit there and be nice and warm. Okay, our next furry friend is a cat. Little Miss Kitten, what did you eat in that garden? Oh, Minnie, I think I ate some strawberries because I am all red. Oh, Little Miss Kitten, I think you ate some strawberries too. Let's get you nice and clean. Oh, thank you so much, Minnie Mouse. I'll make sure I don't eat those strawberries again, but they were so delicious. Nom, 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 nom. I just want to eat them all the time. Oh, I know, but next time you gotta wait until they're picked from the garden so you don't get all red. Okay, let's give you a nice warm bath. Oh, I don't like baths, Minnie. I know, but you gotta take a bath so we can get all the red off of your beautiful shiny fur. Okay, here goes nothing. 1, 2, 3. Come on, you can do it. It's okay, I'm right here. Oh, thank you, Minnie. Now let's brush your fur and get all that red out. Scrub-a-dub-dub. Just relaxing in the tub. Let's get you nice and clean. See, doesn't that feel so much better with all the red gone? Yes, it does. Thank you so much, Minnie. Nice and clean. You could go sit over here with Mr. Mouse. Okay, who is our last cute furry friend gonna be? It is Little Miss Puppy Dog. Oh, Little Miss Puppy Dog, you have those beautiful sparkles on you. Whatever did you eat to turn you blue? Oh, Minnie, I think I had some blueberries. I know I shouldn't have. I know I should have just waited, but they were so yummy. Oh, Little Miss Puppy Dog, I understand. I know blueberries are delicious, but next time you just gotta wait so you don't get all full blueberries. Okay, Minnie, but I love baths, so I'm gonna jump right in. 1, 2, 3. Whee! Oh yeah, that time is the best. Ruff, 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 ruff. Oh yeah, that time is the best. Ruff, 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 ruff. Ruff. Ooh, bath time. Ooh, bath time. Ooh, bath time. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Oh, my Little Miss Puppy Dog, I haven't even had to do anything. You're having so much fun. Let me give you one good scrub to make sure we get all the blue off. Okay, Minnie, I love bath time. Oh yeah, Oh yeah, oh yeah. Woohoo, woohoo, woohoo. Let's grab you nice and clean. Oh yeah. Looks like we got all the blue out. Nice job. You can go dry off until the neighbor comes back to get you. Great job, friends. Now remember next time, Miss Kitty, Little Miss Puppy Dog, and Mr. Mouse, next time don't go into the vegetable garden. Okay, I'm gonna go call your neighbor for her to come get you. It was so fun watching those little furry friends. They were so cute and cuddly and snuggly, and I just love furry friends. And my neighbor was so sweet because I helped her. She brought me this surprise. I love surprises. There's a surprise charm inside. Maybe if I collect enough charms, I can make a necklace. And I love necklaces almost as much as I love bows. Because you know I love those. So let's open it up together, friends. I think I have to put it in the water, so we could just use this water here. Let's open it up and see what my surprise is. I'm so excited. Okay, it looks like it brings the stuff for a necklace. Oh, I'm so excited. I have all this stuff where I can make my necklace. So I'm gonna open up my charm and then I'll put together the necklace. This is awesome. What a nice surprise. Let me put this in the bag so I can see what my charm is. Open this. Okay, so it looks like it looks just like me. I'm gonna put it in the water and see what happens. Ready, friends? 1, 2, 3. Let's turn on my water. And let's see what my surprise is. Ooh, I see all the pink coming out. This is so fun. Look at the surprise pea. It's melting. What do you think it's gonna be? Take a guess. Go ahead. What do you think it's gonna be? Oh, my ear broke off. Ooh, I see purple. This is so, it broke off more. It's a picture of me. I love it. It's perfect. It'll go great on my necklace. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and dry this and then I'll put my necklace together. I'll be right back. Let's help Minnie put together her charm necklace. So first I'm gonna put a yellow bead. We're gonna put that on. And then we're gonna do pink. And then we'll do blue. And then we'll do purple. And then we'll do green. I think Minnie's gonna love her necklace. And then we'll do pink again. We'll do blue again. And then we'll put our charm. Okay, now we gotta go on the other side. Go ahead and take a guess. What color do you think is gonna come next? Let's do purple. Then we're gonna do green. Then we will do pink and blue again. Pink and blue. Oh, I did green. We'll do pink and blue, purple, green, and yellow. We're gonna put the necklace together so that Minnie can wear it. She's gonna love this special necklace. Let's close that up. And let's put it on Minnie. Oh, Minnie, here's your necklace. Wow, thank you, boys and girls. I love it so much. That was so sweet of my neighbor to give me that. Thank you for helping me put it together. It is so fabulous. Thank you so much. Well, I'll see you guys next time. A friend of mine needs help. Bye, boys and girls.